Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review HUION Inspiroy H640P drawing tablets. The HUION Inspiroy H640P drawing tablet is versatile and compact graphics tablet designed for beginners and creatives on the go. Priced at $27.92 and $39.99 depending on size. It features 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, a battery-free stylus, and 6 customizable shortcut keys that streamline workflow across multiple applications. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android devices, it allows users to draw, edit, sign documents, or take digital notes with precision. Its slim 0.3-inch design and lightweight 1.41 lps build, making it highly portable, and it works well as both a drawing tablet and mouse replacement. The H640P also includes a pen holder with 8 extra nibs and support left-handed use. Customer reviews on Amazon are largely positive. Users highlight excellent value as an entry-level tablet, noting its smooth performance on Mac and Windows systems and ease of setup. Many beginners appreciate its intuitive pen experience and customizable shortcut keys, which make digital creation faster and more comfortable. The tablet's compact size and portability are frequently praised, making it ideal for students, traveling creatives, or anyone with limited desk space. At the same time, most users find it excellent for general drawing and design. A few note that the drawing experience may vary depending on the software used. Overall, the HUION Inspiroy H640P drawing tablet provides a practical, affordable, and user-friendly solution for anyone starting in digital art or requiring a portable, precise input device. Its combinations of customization, compatibility, and portability making it a strong choice for beginners, artists, students, and creative professionals. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.